Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Practice Promotions. They're looking for a digital marketing assistant. It pays up to $55,000 a year. As one of Practice Promotions' digital marketing account assistants, you will be part of our amazing team of rock stars who help physical therapy practices improve more people's lives. You will be responsible for assisting with our enterprise client account management and responding to requests on websites, emails, blogs, social media, and digital marketing. You'll be using Google Analytics analysis to optimize digital marketing. You will get to tackle all things SEO for each client's WordPress websites to ensure more visibility and to drive many new patients into the client's physical therapy practices. You will be helping clients with email marketing campaigns using our email automation system and extensive content library. This job requires you to organize and manage a very high volume of work. This is a marketing agency with a very high volume of clients and marketing projects. To be successful in this role, you need to thrive while talking to clients, have the ability to communicate clear expectations with clients, and collaborative work getting done with our Level 3 digital account managers. We are marketing experts and need to show results and data while reporting results and training clients on the most effective marketing strategies. If you love to help businesses succeed with digital marketing, you love helping people, and you want to work with a team of top-notch marketing professionals who are passionate about learning and leading the industry in medical marketing, send your resume over. We value our team. At Practice Promotions, we value our team and take good care of them. We work with each employee to build skills and have a long history of advancing our top employees to leadership positions. At Practice Promotions, we hire the most talented people for our team and then give them the freedom to do their jobs, focus on professionalism and helping our clients achieve the best results. We work hard but have a lot of fun doing it. We are a leader in our market and one of the fastest growing companies in the country. We have ambitious goals that our rockstar team is tackling and a lot more growth planned out. Our team works remotely, but we get together in the Richmond, VA area for in-person meetings and conferences. We are recruiting in Richmond and surrounding areas of Virginia, so our team can easily get together for quarterly meetings and our monthly social outings. If you want to be considered to join our team and take advantage of the opportunities we offer our employees to advance their careers, apply today. Abilities and knowledge. Comfortable managing a high volume of work. This requires above average time management and organizational skills. We have plenty of tools to help our team with this. Top of the list is Monday.com. Ability to communicate openly with team and customers with excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. Our team hops on video conference calls with our 530 clients who are all over the US and Canada and uses Basecamp software for client communication as well. Good customer service skills and experience. Must be enthusiastic about helping others. Has a passion for marketing and helping businesses grow. Focused on setting and achieving high goals. Google Analytics certifications are preferred but not required. Must be looking for a long-term career home with a 3-year minimum. Able to organize and complete digital tasks that meet deadlines. Must be able to work diligently on your own without distractions. Ability to openly collaborate with a team to discuss ideas and project plans. WordPress experience. Exposure to SEO practices. Email marketing. Be a forever learner and open to constructive feedback. Have strong attention to detail. Be a strong and positive team player. Education and experience. Client account management or business marketing experience or equivalent relevant experience preferred. Degree in marketing or equivalent experience. The general breadth of knowledge across marketing. Work environment. Remote positions require a HIPAA compliant environment. Your work environment must have adequate internet connection per Practice Promotions guidelines. A controlled and dedicated workspace will be necessary to be successful. Job type, full-time. Pay, up to $55,000 per year. Benefits, 401k, 401k matching. Dental insurance, flexible spending account, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, schedule, 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday, no weekends, supplemental pay types, bonus pay, experience, marketing, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.